Let's look at some other cliches when you want to indicate the reasons for sample characteristics. In methodology section, you have to have sample, you have to talk about sample, and in some cases you have to talk about its characteristics and why you have selected that sample. Using the cliches here, you can tell the reasons why you've selected that sample. Criteria for selecting the subjects or the sample or the participants were as follows. Or you can tell the area of study was chosen for its relatively small. You can finish this sentence. You can use another cliche or another phrase like this. 5 individuals were excluded from the study on the basis of why you have excluded them. You can tell the reasons why actually those individuals were excluded. Or here, a small sample was chosen because of the expected difficulty of obtaining data from a larger sample, for example. Here we have another cliche. The subjects were selected on the basis of a degree of homogeneity of their, for example, their language knowledge. This means that we have chosen only a sample with a lower variance. Am I right? The more homogeneous, the less variant they will be. Here you can use a comparison group of 12 male subjects without any history of X was drawn from a pool of, for example, 100 people. We have selected 12 people out of 100 and they were male without any history of, for example, influenza. Okay, this means that we have selected sample based on some criteria.